Hi Dashers, in this video I'm gonna explain you how to use DoorDash Crimson Card, so stay until the end to know exactly when to use it. First of all, what is the Crimson Card? The Crimson Card is a prepaid card that DoorDash provides. You will only use it when the app tells you to pay for an order at the store or restaurant. And when do you use it? If an order says pay with red card or pay with Crimson Card, that's your signal. You will go into the store, place the order, and pay with the Crimson Card at checkout, just like a regular debit card. And before using it, make sure it's activated. If you haven't activated yet, you are gonna see in the first line of this video description the link to the video or guide on how to activate your Crimson Card, because it's very important to activate the Crimson Card. And how do you pay? At checkout, hand over the Crimson Card or insert it on their card reader. You don't need to pay with your own money. DoorDash loads the exact amount needed onto the card, and it's important to keep the receipt because sometimes you may need to upload it. And finally, important tips: you only use the Crimson Card when the app tells you to. Don't use it for personal purchases because it's tracked. And if the cards gets declined, contact DoorDash support right away from the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching.